Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to change Ancona hood fan filters. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have this Ancona range hood fan, and there are two filters on it, and they can be changed really easily. Now, if you want to change them for new filters, or just remove them, clean them, and then put them back in place, this is how you do it. Now, I will be demonstrating with this specific model, and I'm assuming that the majority of Ancona range hood fan filters are removed and reinstalled in a very similar way. So you can probably take these instructions and apply them to a great amount of these types of range hood fans, and range hood fans in general. A lot of them use this type of sort of mechanism, okay? So with these ones specifically, they're notched in place at the back. So right now we're looking at the front. This is the front of the range hood fan, and they're notched in place at the back over here. And there's an interesting little mechanism. There's actually a little handle right here. It's like a lever, and when I push this in, there are these notches at the front that sort of go inwards, and it allows me to remove it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push it in, but I'm going to hold my hand under it to make sure that it doesn't fall. So I'm going to push that lever in, and I can now remove the actual filter just like that. So just as you can see, I'll place it down on the stove right here. When I push the handle in, those notches get pushed in, okay? Now, so that's how you remove it. And if you want to reinstall it with a new one, so let's say you want to replace it, or you just cleaned it and you want to reinstall it, you get these notches at the back, and then you slide them into the notch sections right there. So I'm going to slide these notches in to the notch section back there, okay? And then what I do now is I push this little lever in to retract those notches. I push the lever in, and then now I can slide it in place and release the lever. And it just snapped in place. So you can make sure, you can touch it to make sure that it is indeed snapped in place properly. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.